Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. I have a beautiful wear and go wig for you guys. Today we're actually gonna wear it in its wear and go style 100% with continue watching. Today's hair sponsor is Tinashe Hair. I believe this is my 11th or 12th collaboration if I'm correct. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch 5x6 wear and go glueless body wave wig. This has also an HD lace. It is 100% glueless. Baby, don't play with them.
I can hear them thinking out loud, loud. Simple people acting so proud, proud. I hear them talking, talking about us. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Pre-plucked, pre-cut, ready to go, ready to wear. Let's see, y'all. Haven't done anything to this wig. I'm just gonna plop her on.
When you don't have a clue, hey.
I have to cut off just a tiny bit more of the lace. Even though it's already pre-cut, just go in and remove a tiny bit more. Okay, so because I don't want a lot of baby hairs, I'm just gonna go in and pluck some of those hairs out. I'm gonna tweeze some more. So it is looking a tad bit light. I'm gonna go in with some powder just along the hairline of the wig to kind of match what's already going on with my face. You feel me? Curling up today. I'm gonna go in with some stiff melting spray. The stuff gets, I'm trying to open this. Okay. I'm gonna go in with this product to do the sideburns. It's like spritz, pretty much the same thing. Kind of going for like not super pressed down, kind of fluffy baby hairs. Go in with a wide tooth comb.
It's a rare thing to do just what we do, love. Hold your head high.
I'm gonna go in with more of that wig melt.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed.
And we're gonna clean up the parts.
You like to drive, get down and dirty, act like a bad guy. You want some love, like when you feel like calling.
I'm going to curl this top portion. And then I'm going to use one of these Velcro rollers. Okay, instantly take it out.
You got the best of me. You got me losing sleep.
A little clip. Those two spots are the most important. Everything else you can kind of just wing it and you can kind of leave it alone, but I think those two spots are the ones that need the most love. Everything else you kind of just will press out and we'll see. Okay, let's see.
Watch your aura pass me me by, losing balance. Oh.
Because we are not like re-curling this wig 100%, we're going to go in with some Bio Silk. This is like a very out of the box install. Like I just tweaked 2 sections of this hair. This is as beginner friendly as it gets, y'all. But we're gonna go put some Bio Silk oil. Rub that in. And then comb through it.
What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Find your best.
There we have it. Very minimal work required. This is a fresh out of the box install. All we did for styling was tweak these 2 little pieces here. You can do this at home if you're not an expert. I wanted to show you guys, you can get a wig and put it on yourself and you don't need to pay anyone to install it. This is for those girls who just do not have the confidence but still want to be a baddie, okay? Because this is giving baddie. I don't care what anyone says. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Would you try this style, and what do you think about the curls just fresh out of the box? Let me know in the comment section below. If you want to purchase this wig, I'm gonna link it in the description box below. If there's a coupon code, it's gonna be there as well. I'll catch you later in another video. Bye.